Welcome to Maverick News. Today we're going to talking about a very important thing. The inflation rate in United States increases to highest levels since 2008. According to Jerome Powell, this occurs because of the scarcity of resources by the increase of the demand. Demand increased with the end of pandemic restrictions because people aren't in quarantine anymore and they will spend and spend. Also, Jerome Powell made some predictions. He said that the increasing of the inflation tax is only a transitory fact, and some prices will never drop, but the economy will expand, and the problem will be solved. Okay, that's all.